Hey there guys, what do you think of this beautiful afternoon here in Ciudad Juarez, Chihuahua? It's July and it's supposed to be 100+ degrees, but we have a beautiful afternoon, windy. There's some rain clouds over there in the background. You can see the America's Bridge that connects to El Paso, Texas, right there in the background. And I'm just gonna give you a 360-degree view that I have from top of this bridge. And this is just to give you the introduction to my next video, which is the my homemade chimney. And I'm gonna do some arrachera tacos just because I made my homemade chimney, and of course I love arrachera. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Okay guys, so basically what I did is that I used the largest can that I was able to find in my local grocery store, and this was a can of hominy. I could have used also a jalapeno can, which was basically the same size, but my wife makes very good menudo, so it had a double purpose. So that's why I bought this one. So as you can see, I have my drill out. I used the largest drill bit that I had just to do some holes onto the can. I did a couple to put in the long screws for the handle, and I fastened them with some washers and some nuts and bolts. And I also made some holes in the bottom of the can. This is for the air to circulate and to help the burning process of the coals. What you see here, basically, I was thinking what to use for the handle. I went to my backyard and I remember that I had pruned some branches off of a tree that I have here, so I used that as a nice handle for the chimney. It actually worked pretty well. I think that you guys will do much better because I don't have that many tools, as you can see, so I used whatever I had. As I said, this is a very simple way to do it, your own chimney. It's a lot of fun and it really works. As you can see here, this was my first run, my first try of burning briquettes in my new chimney. You can see the nice wooden handle there, and I said, well, I already have some burning coals, so what should I do? So I'm gonna do arrachera, but first of all I'm gonna get ready for the salsa. We're gonna be doing some hot spicy salsa here. As you can see, we have some serrano peppers already grilling, a couple of red tomatoes and a green tomato that is gonna go into the salsa. And we already, I like it charred, so I like that taste and that color that it gives out. The nopales that you see there, or the cactus leaves that you see there, my wife loves those, so I always make cactus leaves for her when I'm doing any cookouts. So I usually try to have them readily available. Here I'm just showing off my Smokey Joe Gold that you see here, and of course arrachera tacos go great with quesadillas. So this is some nice corn tortillas with Mexican Menonita cheese and getting melted already, ready to receive the arrachera that is coming next. I think I did a couple of batches like this, and they went pretty fast because we love quesadillas with our arrachera. And here you can see the beautiful arrachera, and you can hear it in the background. It's very, very delicious. I wish that you could smell it. It's amazing the way the arrachera is smelling right now. It's very, very good. Okay, so here's the final product, or the arrachera. It's well done because my family loves it well done, so I'm pleasing the family. I like it more in the medium to medium well, more medium, but I'm basically pleasing the family the way it should be. I'm sure I'll make some for me next time. And this here is the beautiful salsa, very delicious salsa, nice, spicy, great flavor. At the end, just add some fresh diced onions and some fresh cilantro, some salt, and there you go. It's perfect salsa for any type of taco. I use the Mexican mortar or molcajete, as you can see here, and it's used also to present it on the table. And here's the final product picture. This is the quesadilla with arrachera and salsa. I'm gonna owe you the taste test. I finished the tacos before I did that section of the video, but trust me, these were very, very, very delicious. So hopefully you'll get a chance to make your own chimney. As you can see, pretty easy. Largest can you can find in your grocery store. Some nuts and bolts and washers, drill bits, a drill, and you're good to go. You're pretty sure you'll have fun with this project. And please subscribe, share, send me any comments, any suggestions you might have. Mauro BBQ73 at gmail.com. Mauro BBQ73 at gmail.com. Take care. See you next time.